Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss complete revision of chapter 1 for periodic test 1 2025-26 class 5 mathematics of chapter numbers up to 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So let us start the session. Today we cover chapter 1, after that we cover chapter 2 and chapter 3. Then we start the expected mock test. Okay, and our target is to score 20 out of 20 in PT1 exam. And all the important concept of chapter 1 are the first is place value, place and the period of the both in Indian and the international system. Then the ascending and the descending order, then Indian system and the international system, smallest and the largest number of 2 digit, 3 digit, okay, etc. And put the comma, how to put the comma, and how to write the numeral, okay, and then successor and the predecessor and the relation between Indian and the international system. Understand? Now let's start. The first concept that the place value, place and the period. Okay. So tell me, in this number, the first is given, that is the 7 is which period? Now we know that this is the first period is called the ones period, and the second is the thousand period, and the third is lakh period. So tell me which period? So lakh. Place is in lakh period, the two places are there. The first place is lakh, second is 10 lakh. So place is 10 lakh. And the place value is 70 lakh. Okay, either you can write in word or in value. Similarly, tell me what is the period of the 4? This is the second period, is called the thousand. So write down thousand period. And the place is in thousand period, the two place, one is thousand and the 10,000. So the place is 10,000. Then the place value is 40,000. 40, then 000. Okay, next. Here is 9. 9 means period is once, place is same once, and the place value is 9. Similarly, next one period is once, because first period, that is once, then place is 100, and the place value is 400, because place value means we multiply the digit with that place. The next concept, that is the ascending and the descending order. Then what is ascending order? Now ascending order means small to big. Okay, and the descending order means big to small. Okay, big to small. Now when we arrange the ascending, first of all we check the highest period, that is the either crore, lakh. Okay, now here we check the last period is lakh, that is the 4, and here same lakh, and here also lakh, but here is the thousand period. Okay, so first we write the smallest means thousand, that's why first we write 43865. Then we write, here is all the period are equal, because 4 lakh. Then we check the next digit, that is the 10,000. In 10,000 position, here is 8, here is 3, here is 3. Now 8 is greater than, so now we take the smaller, that the 3, but the 3 are same. Then we check the 1,000 place. Here 1,000 place is 8, and again this number 1,000 place is 8. Same means we check the next digit, that is the 100 place. 100 place is 6, and here 100 place is 8. So small is 6. So write this number, that is 438654. Again write down 438,854, and the last one is 4,83,654. Understand? This is the arrange in ascending order. If the question asks write the number in the descending order, Simply first we write the bigger number, then smaller. Okay. Next question. Now the next concept is Indian system and the international system. Okay. So remember that there are the two types of number systems are there. One is Indian and the international system. In Indian system, there the first period is called the ones period. Second one is the thousand period. Third one is the lakh period. Then crore. But in international system, the first period is called the ones, then thousand, then million, okay, then billion. But in ones period, in Indian system, there are three places are there. One is ones, tens, and hundred. And in thousand period, two places, that is 10,000 and the 10,000. In lakh also two, that is the lakh and the 10 lakh. In crore, that is the crore and the 10 crore. But in international system, in ones period, three places, that is the ones, tens, and hundred. And in thousand period, also three places, that is the thousand, 10,000, and the 100,000. In million, same million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay. Now, next, suppose next how to put the comma. Okay. Now check. Here is the crore means the Indian system. In Indian system, first we put the comma after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. Okay. The first is called the ones period, then thousand period, then lakh period, then 2 digit. After then we write here is the crore period. Okay. In Indian system, first we put after 3, then 2. But in international system, first we put after 3 digit, comma, then 3 digit, then 3 digit. Okay. Now check. Here this is the crore means the Indian system. In Indian system, we know that in crore that the two place here is 5 crore. That's why we write only 5 or 05. 5 crore. Then the lakh period. Lakh period means 2 digit. Then put comma. That's why 5 lakh, 30 lakh. So 30. Now 16,000 in thousand period, there's a 2 digit same. So write down 16. Then 19. 19 means 019. Okay. Similarly, 3 crore, that's why 3, comma. 1 lakh means 01 because in 1 lakh, two places are there. That's why 01. If the 20, then simply write down 20. If the 1 digit, you should must add with 0. Okay. 02 or 03 or 05, etc. Now put the comma 47,000. Okay. Then 47. If the question is 7,000, then you should write the 07, not the only 7. Okay. Now 200. 200 means 2. Now 00. This is the answer. Okay. Now next 1 crore. So 1. 15,000. So lakh is 00. 15,000 means 15, comma 963. All of you understand? Now next. Write the number names by using the numeral, using the comma between the period and also the rate. Okay. Suppose this is the international system. The question asks is write the comma in international system. Means first we write the after 3 digit, then 3 digit. Here is same after 3 and 3. Okay. Now the how to read the first number 4 million. Okay. And 935. Simply read the number. Here is 935. So write down 935. This period is called the 1000. So simply write down 1000. Okay. Now 87. Similarly, 1,011,001, 7,183,10. Sorry, 183,010. 4,904,078. Suppose the question is 24353,256. So 2. So how to read this? 24,353,252. I hope all of you clear. Next, this is the international system, comma. So this is 409,846, 8,021,832, then 271 million. Simply read the number. Here is 271. Simply write down million. Now here is the 804. So 804,000. Now 10. I hope clear. Next. Now the successor and the predecessor. Successor means addition plus 1, predecessor means minus 1. Okay, successor means the next number, এটা হচ্ছে before. Okay, if the number is 0, suppose 1000, what is the predecessor? Predecessor means all the 0 becomes 9. Okay, suppose the number is 12200, same, all the 0 becomes 9 if you find the predecessor, and the 0 left side number decrease by 1, that is 1. Okay, then you can use the trick, or you can simply subtraction. Now here same, use the trick. 0 becomes 9. Where is the 9 option? Option number I and option number third I. Okay, now 6 becomes 5, so check 5. Okay, now all others are same, so option number third I is the correct, but option number I is incorrect. Understand? Now next, successor case means, so reverse means 9 becomes 0 and the previous digit increased by 1. So here is 9 means 0 and the previous digit is 5, so increase by 1, that is 6, and other digit are same, that is the 4, 8, 3, 6, 9. Understand? Now here all the 9s are there, that's why all the 9 become 0. Okay, and the previous digit is increased by 1 because nothing means 0, so 0 is increased by 1. Understand how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? Similarly, check option question number C. Here is 9, 9, 9, 9. Same, all are 0. And the previous digit increased by 1, that is 1. Now 6, 5. I hope all of you know the trick. Okay. Now write the predecessor. Same, predecessor means reverse, that is the 0 becomes 9. So simply 9, 9, 9. 3 becomes 2. Then all other are 7. Similarly, all the 0 are 9. Okay. Next, here is all 0 becomes 9. 1 becomes 0 because decrease by 1 if you find the predecessor and other digit are same. Only the 0 previous digit will decrease or increase. Okay, or the 9 previous digit increase or decrease. Understand? Now find the sum of the place value of the two 5. So tell me what is the first 5? First 5 means 5, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Okay, and the second 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Now simply addition, then you get the answer. Okay, next question. Now we know the relation between the Indian and the international system. So first remember 1 lakh equal to 100,000 and 1,000 equal to 10,100. Okay, then 1 crore equal to 10 million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. So how to remember this relation? Just simply draw Indian system and the international system. Suppose this is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then 10 crore. Simply again write down the international, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, then 100 million. I hope all of you clear. Suppose the question is 6 crore equal to dash million. Sorry, 6 crore equal to dash million. So simply write the 6 million. So how to write 6 crore? 6 crore means here is you write the 6, then other as 0. Yes or no? Now we find the million. So where is the million? This is the million place. So simply draw a line. What is the value? 60. So answer is 60. Okay. So no need to remember all the relation. Simply you can draw and answer. Understand? Again, suppose second question is 50 crore, sorry, 50 lakh equal to dash million. How to find? Simply write down 50 lakh. How to write the 50 lakh? Now here is 5, then 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is the 50 lakh. Now we need to find the million. Where is the million? Here is the million. Simply draw a line at the million place. Now the answer is 5. So 5 million means 50 lakh equal to 5 million. Okay. Now second, suppose the question is 20,000 equal to dash 100. Okay. So simply write down 20,000. How to write the 20,000? Here is 2, then 0, then 0, 0, 0. Okay. Or simply 1 lakh. Again write down 1 lakh or the 10 lakh equal to dash 1000. Okay. So write down 10 lakh means here you write down 10 lakh 1 0 then 0 0. Okay. Now we find the 1000. Where the 1000 place? No sir, here is the 1000 place. So simply draw a line after the right side of the 1000. Now check how many? Now 1000. So answer is 1000,000. Okay. If the 1 lakh, then this is the 100,000. I hope clear. Next. Number formation. So how to form the number by using the digit. Okay. So simply suppose the digit is 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the largest number. What is the largest number? Now largest number means first we write the larger digit. That is the 5, 4, 3, 2. You know what is the smallest? 2, 3, 4, 5. If the 0 is given, suppose 2, 0, 9, 1. Then what is the largest? Largest means same. First we write the 9, then 2, then 1, then 0. But when you write the smallest digit, then you should write the first 1, then 0, then 2, then 9, 5. Now because if you write the 0, 1, 2, 9, it becomes the 3 digit. Okay. But our question asks write the largest or the smallest 4-digit number. That's why. In this case, we should write the smallest 8-digit number. So 8-digit number means first we write the smallest number, that is the 1, 0, not the 0, 1. If you write the 0, it becomes the 7-digit. That's why we write the 1, then 0. Then 1, then 0, then 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Now write the largest. Okay. From the smallest 8-digit number. Okay. And also write the number names. Okay. Number names means by using the Indian and the international system. So Indian means first we put the comma after 3, then 2 and 2 means 1 crore 2 lakh 45,789. But in international system, this is 102,45789. First we put the comma after 3 and 10 million 245,789. Clear? Now, chapter 1 complete revision. Okay, completed. If you like this session, then you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the video, then you can notify. In next class, we upload the chapter 2 complete revision, then chapter 3. After that, we start the mock test of most expected question for your periodic test 1 2025. Till then, thank you.